Hi, Steve here. Today I'll show you how I replaced the factory-installed halogen bulbs with LED bulbs on my Panoramic RV, which is a 2022 model year US chassis Ram ProMaster 3500. But first I have to make an important disclaimer. I'm not suggesting that you replace your original bulbs with LED or even HID bulbs for that matter. If you are considering this, check with your federal, state, or provincial laws regarding LED or HID replacement bulbs. It might not be legal in your jurisdiction. So do your research and make your decision. You can also use this video to replace the original halogen bulbs with better halogen bulbs. So why am I upgrading to LED bulbs? After over 15,000 miles using the original halogen bulbs, I'm looking for a dramatic increase in road illumination and therefore improved safety when driving at night. Also, LED lights have a longer lifespan. Halogen bulbs last up to 3,000 hours, while LED bulbs can easily last for 30,000 hours. Finally, they're more energy efficient. So let's get started. So I went to the Amazon website. You can type the year, make, and model into the search bar and it will filter the results for that vehicle. So I typed 2022 Ram ProMaster 3500, clicked on the filter results. Then I typed H7 bulb into the search bar. The H7 style bulb works for both the high and low beams, so I bought two 2-packs of the Auto Yes brand. There were so many brands to choose from, I can't honestly say exactly why I chose this brand. It looks so much easier in the YouTube videos. There we go. I wish I could provide a more objective comparison by measuring the light output, but we noticed a dramatic improvement and hopefully you can see it too. Now just repeat steps 1 through 13 for the driver's side headlight assembly and you're all set. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like. Please consider subscribing and click on the notify button so you'll know when new Panoramic Travels videos come out. Thanks for watching.